square ABCD is shown below in the standard XY coordinate plane. The line y equals ax plus 2 divides the square into two congruent regions if a equals, all right, so I'm trying to figure out here, if I draw this line, which I don't know the slope to, we don't know a, which would be the slope of the line, but if I were to draw a line, what would a have to be so that this would divide the square into two congruent regions? So, I guess what I'm going to start with is that when I have the line y equals ax plus 2, we know 2 is the y-intercept of the line. So I'm going to go to my graph and I know my line has to start there. So now I'm just going to kind of use symmetry and just looking at the picture, and how could I draw a line through the square starting here at the 2 and cutting the square into two congruent regions? So I'm kind of thinking, well, if I had to go up 1 to put the 2 here, maybe if I go over here right below C, if I go down 1 and then draw this line, that looks to me like I would have two congruent regions. And so that helps a lot, because now I know this point I drew up here below C, if I name this point, it's the point 6, 6. And so finding the slope of a line is very easy when you know 2 points on the line. The point over here where the y-intercept is 0, 2. And so now I'm going to use the slope formula, which, m or a in this case, we'll erase it, we'll erase the m and put an a there, because that's what we're finding is a, the slope in this case. So let's go ahead and take those 2 points, subtract the y values, and subtract the x values. So we'll call this x2 and y2, and here will be x1 and y1. And so following the formula, y2 minus y1 will be 6 minus 2, and x2 minus x1 will be 6 minus 0, giving us 4 over 6, which reduces to 2/3. So it looks to me like A would have to be 2/3, which is choice A.